People are always talking about toko in the yuri versus toko fukawa rap, but never talking about yuri. So I'm going to talk about yuri's part. Sure, fukawa definitely beat yuri, but yuri did exceptional as well. I'm going to show you all my favorite yuri lines.
You're acting slick, you're a close-minded coward. Think you got flow, miss, you don't even shower. Try who close to your man, then in case too. He went out his way to frame you. Then only your picture remained in your bad-ending playthrough. And he went out his way to frame you. I made my man lose his mind with the love in his heart. He made a boy lose a bet with how ugly you are. Close the door on your little love story. Try not to get too hung up on your rejection, Sayori.
That wraps it up. Also, ranter of the day. Cute muffins. I discovered her channel a few days ago. She uses Tiaki Nanami as her sprite and has a dango rampa arc named Kanyo Sato. Go check her out. That's it from the corner of the internet. Rai out.